If we want for agents to be able to edit the customer profile, then the agents need to have People Manager role enabled in the general roles. This way, agents can edit the information such as name, city, country, and similar. To configure the customer context card, we need to navigate to the Conversations icon, select Settings, and choose Customer Context Card. We can have up to 5 fields we want to show here, but we can also add more attributes in additional information. The first 5 fields will be displayed to the agents immediately, and other fields will be available with just one more click. First name, last name, city and address are already set up here, and now we will add more. For start, we will choose Add Field, expand the list, and choose Email. Can Edit button must be enabled, otherwise, agents will not be able to edit the information. If we don't want them to edit the info, then we can just untick this section. If we want to make the conversation more personalized, we can, for example, save the nickname of the person. Let's add the nickname attribute in the additional information. Again, select Add Field and choose Nickname. We can add all sorts of additional information or additional attributes here. For example, loyalty score, membership status, company, or we can add custom attributes from the People module, like I did with last item purchased and date of last purchase.